Hello everyone, let's look at how to make your emojis glow in your Instagram story, and I will share 2 more tricks as well, and how to use glowing emojis in your Reels video too, because Instagram only has this feature for stories, but there is a very simple trick that you can use to have it in your Reels as well. So let's start. Open your Instagram app and open your stories and upload your photo or video. I'm going to use this one. Now add text, add your emoji, and to make your emoji glow, you go to the cursive font. So it's this one. And to make it glow, you add a background to it. So it's the first square on top, boom, and it will glow in white. So now I'm going to show you 4 tricks. Trick number 1 is that you can change the color of your glow. So press on the color button, and from here you can choose a different color. If you want more colors, you can just do like this. If you want a very specific color, maybe the color of your brand, I will put a link below to our blog post about how to use very specific colors in your Instagram stories and in your Reels, if it's for your text or maybe for drawing, text background, etc. But coming back to this trick, so that was trick number 1 with the colors. So let's just put this color. And there you go. And trick number 2, actually before I show you trick number 2, let me add some more styles. There you go. So now trick number 2 is that you can make your emojis sparkle. So not just glow, but glow and sparkle. And to do that is you just go on your emoji and you press on the last square here and it will start sparkling. Can you see? How cool is that? So let me just make everything else sparkle. There you go. Can you see? How fun. So good. All right, trick number 3. What if you want your emojis to glow or sparkle in your Reels video? So on Reels, Instagram doesn't have that feature to make the emojis glow and sparkle. So what you would do then is press on those 3 buttons, the 3 dots, and press on save, and that will save the video in your camera roll. And then what you want to do is open your Reels and just upload that video. And it will sparkle. How cool is that? Another thing that you can do, which is trick number 4, is you can go in your preview app and just upload the photo or video with your glowing emoji, and it will appear in your preview feed. And from here you can just plan your feed, prepare your caption, find caption ideas if you need to, find hashtags or even SEO keywords for Instagram. You can also schedule your post, auto post if you want to. You can also change your cover image, and you can choose a different clip for your cover image, or you can even upload your own custom image from your camera roll. And that's it. So now you know how to make your emojis glow and even sparkle if you want to, and you know that you can also plan your post with Preview app. I hope you enjoyed this little trick, and the next post will be about fun ways to use the Instagram AI sticker feature. So we'll see you there, and until next time, have an amazing day. Bye!